All right, let's do this together. Welcome to Meals for Longevity. So what's for dinner? That's the name I decided to give to the show that we're going to be doing next year. This is just a practice every day, 4 or 5 minutes just before I start finalizing the Meals for Longevity. For the testing, for the people following me, I am Giuseppe Urbano, executive chef. This is the kitchen of Meals for Longevity, where we do all the testing. It's a nice size kitchen. I am in Florida, in Sarasota, and let's talk about what's for dinner tonight. So let's see what I got. Let's start from the appetizer. I am doing a minestrone soup, and I have peas, broccoli, zucchini, tomato, carrots, celery, onions, asparagus. I clean up the refrigerator, vegetable broth, and they've been sweating with a little bit extra virgin olive oil for about 20-25 minutes, and we're gonna finish this, and we're gonna keep our vegetables nice and crispy. This is quite a bit of minestrone soup. It's also just enough for the weekend too, as extra samples. Then let's see what's next. I'm gonna be doing as entree a chicken scaloppine with balsamic vinegar. I call it saltimbocca. This is salt and pepper. This is one of the recipes. Even we have a recipe for the salt and pepper on our website. I'm gonna be cooking the chicken very quick, 3-4 minutes, high heat. I'm gonna be serving it with a risotto. Let's go ahead and fire the risotto, and some asparagus that I blanched, and I'm going to roast with some extra virgin olive oil. I have a ciabatta bread. Let's go ahead and make the ciabatta bread crispy, about 7-8 minutes. And that's what we have for dinner. And this is an example of the e-recipes. I call them chef e-recipes that I created. They are international recipes from all over the world, and they fit the new modern Mediterranean diet pyramid. So it's just a new way to get your favorite food and make sure that you eat in the healthy way, like the people of the Mediterranean Sea, that they live a long and healthy life. Again, this is Chef Giuseppe. Go on my website, mealsforlongevity.com, sign up on the newsletter over there so I can keep you informed of what's next. I'm slowly publishing all these recipes as they finalize the testing process. And also subscribe on YouTube so we can see each other sometimes with some little videos. Ciao for now, and I'll go ahead and fire the food. Bye.